Yes, gang, it's right. That's right. It's Poppy's other workshop. Hey, gang, Poppy here. This video is specifically for Emma Ritson, our host of Emma's Spare Room Machine Shop. She's down in Australia, unless you're in Antarctica, in which case she's up in Australia. Oh, that's funny. I mean, that is funny. You have to admit that. Now, Emma, I am glad that it seems you finally have a place where you can live and work. That's been a struggle for you the last 2 years, going on 3. First, your landlord died, you had to move, you had to jettison a whole bunch of really nice stuff. Then your father died, you had to go across the ditch and claw back some of your stuff and some of his stuff. And at the time, I thought you should have just moved there, moved all your stuff from Australia to Daddy's house, and no rent, property tax, but no rent. Well, you didn't do that anyway, and you all that hassle of moving stuff to your 2 level. It was a live above commercial. You were just getting that really nice and going through Daddy's stuff, and the landlady there decided she wanted that space for her dead husband's junk more than the income. And now you're in a place where it seems like you can live and work. I hope it's fairly close to where you fixed watches. If not, uh, have people send you their watches and fix them where you are. That might be a possibility. Anyway, I'm glad it seems you have a place to live and work now again. Sorry I haven't been participating in the live streams, but you know the problems I have here in Northern California with live streams. I mean, I can't watch any of them. They all freeze up my computer, so I had to give up on them. But I watch you. I do. I really do. Yes, I've been really lazy and just not even wanting to comment to my friends. But I'm feeling a little tiny bit better, so this video. Hi, Emma. I hope you continue to have a harmonious blend of home, work, and watch repair. Good night from California.